I'm at the beach and I wanted to say hello and say happy Black History Month and that I'm doing Changing the Narrative again this month. There's a lot going on in the world. I feel like it's a great time for us to do inventory and see how we are feeling with our self-talk, how we're talking to ourselves, how we're talking to others, and go from there. If we feel like we need to shift, do something different, think in a different way, act, we need support in doing that. So I feel like part of my duty on this planet to provide space, to provide an open heart for people who feel misunderstood or feel left out, feel too ugly, feel too this, too that, too mean, too nice. I just really want to create space for the two people. The outsiders, the people that feel like the only solace they have is sometimes being alone. How can we change the narrative and say, I'm okay alone. I'm okay with being an introvert. I'm okay with connecting people as my authentic self, which may be different than others, and that's okay. Knowing that at the end of the day, we're all the same, we're all human, and that's been, in a nutshell, what changing the narrative has been to me. Realizing that we're more alike than we are different. I have been sober since 2017, and that journey alone has helped me connect with myself and others. Which is ironic because I thought alcohol was helping me connect when really I feel like it was disconnecting me. So, yeah. I hope to see people there, the more the merrier. If you don't have the funds for it, I think we have it set to $30 at the moment per person. Of course, if you need assistance, got you. It's at Raw Yoga. It's on the 28th of February, 2026. Cheers to being Black. Cheers to healing our intergenerational wounds and seeing each other for who we are and who we could be. Bye!